So what you're looking at here is blood on a heatsink. This is a great area to go. It's the PcBuildHelp area on Reddit. And what people post over here, it is absolutely first class. It's amazing. So this thread here is about what has happened here. This guy, well, I'll read it. I managed to get the chunk of skin out. What? Ooh, ouch. That must have hurt. I know these heat sinks can be very sharp, but I can't wipe the red stains out, the blood stains, I guess. Could this lead to corrosion or other issues? How can I attempt to remove it? Now, I'm not laughing at you. I'm just laughing mainly because of all the comments that are over here. And I will link to this in the YouTube description down below. Comments like blood for the blood god, blood cooling, congratulations. Giving blood to the PC gods means your build will be lucky. And I mean, it goes on and on. If you are enjoying my content, please remember to do what's above here, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment. I mean, stuff happens, right? I've had my fingers, my arms, my legs, my head, all parts of my body, like you probably, if you're doing any work at all, you're going to have cuts. And certainly building computer systems, you're going to have cuts. I've gotten cuts, a lot of them, on the old school cases because I've been doing this for over 25 years. And I've built, well, I don't even know how many computer systems, but yeah, I've cut myself. How I have gotten blood off of things like this is either use a Q-tip or a cotton swab or a microfiber cloth, soak them with isopropyl alcohol. Don't use water, don't use detergents, don't use anything that has a lot of lint on it. Don't use what we call in Canada here, bumwad, toilet paper. Don't use tissues. Don't use even paper towels. They have a lot of, residue and stuff on them. And or you could just leave it there and consider it a blessing to the computer PC build gods. What would you do? How would you remove chunks of flesh and skin from your heatsink? I'm sure we would love to know.